All right. It's Paul at Freedom Gorilla. We're here. It's 2024 SHOT Show. We're with Tyler from Calculated Kinetics. We wanted to give Tyler an opportunity to let you guys know a little bit more about his company. We sell a lot of his plates. They're great quality optic plate. So Tyler, why don't you tell a little bit more about Calculated Kinetics and what you guys do?
Well, first of all, Paul, thanks for having me. A little bit about Calculated Kinetics. We are the optic plate manufacturer. We do specialized plates called the dog tag optic plate. Aside from having tight tolerances and having quality plates, our dog tag offers a built-in deflection table. It's going to provide you guys some functions. So you guys are out there shooting, you can detect that lens of the optic, you blow back, it'll deflect it. You can also do one-hand manipulations where you can action the slide and that deflection table will hit it. Best part about ours, we're all 100% made in the United States of America.
Yep.
We include all the screws, all the hardware, all the Torx bits, and the Vibrotite to complete the install. It comes perfectly packaged, has an install card, and that's pretty much it.
Yep.
So
yeah, and Tyler, I mean, you've been doing a great job. Like whenever we have customer issues like screws or they need like shorter screws or something like that, like they're trying to mount an RMR like 509T to the RMR plate, you ship it out no problem.
Yep.
So Tyler's customer service is like phenomenal. It's a huge reason why we love working with you. Also, your plates are just great quality.
Thank you.
And I mean, talking to you, you have a meticulous, you know, attention to detail.
I do. I've been in quality control for 20 years now through the military and DOD, and now it's translated into manufacturing our own optic plates.
Perfect.
Yeah.
And then why don't you just like tell people a little bit about the offering that you have, the plates that you have? Like started out with the...
Yep. So we actually started out with Glock. Ironic, we're actually standing in their booth. So we offer them for Glock, Walthers, Smith & Wessons. We have them for the slim lines, any Hellcats, G43X, 48 MOS. We also have started getting into the Panic platforms, and the sky's the limit. We have a lot of plates coming this year, and we're going to dive into other manufacturers as well.
Perfect. If you're looking for a plate for any of those guns and you want a high quality plate from a great company with great customer service, Tyler is definitely the man, and Calculated Kinetics is the brand, and it's available at freedomgorilla.com.
Absolutely.